Umintri rangba akajala konrat ke sagma hagasngi Pyllait ula palat patba yak phase 3 jongka talent identification badka phase 2 jongka elite pathway program banwat badyarap kentiu yak sap ileka jongki samla kajala. Yakini ki program lashna hakate kadur bakin nang sanduri ki sap ileka ban ai karinsan bad kijingdon kami ki samla bakin pintibet iladi. Uklur akrim ke Bollywood John Abraham ulaidan lang hakani jingalang kala pendong hanihu complex chilong. Hakani singi ke Sorkar kala IT ru ya ke sekolah de telok bagan North East United Football Club ke balong try ru John Abraham bagan seng ya ke Residential Football Academy hagasnong Maukanu East Khasi Hills District.
The youth became the center of our policy making. The youth became the center of our approach as to what we need to do. It was not the schemes anymore. It was not the programs anymore. It was not the officials or the politicians anymore. It was what is good for the youth of our state, this government will do. To be among the top 10 states in the country, it cannot happen with Conrad Sangma or DP Walang alone. It can only happen if the state, if the people, and especially the youth, become part of this goal, of this objective, of this mission that we have. That almost close to 50% of sports infrastructure, 50% of the sports infrastructure that is there in the state today, close to 50% was created in the last 3 years alone. It was this government that introduced the sports awards and was felicitating and rewarding the medalists in the state games or with the national games or any other national competition that is there. It is this government that started giving scholarship to our students who are getting medals in national games and in national competitions at different disciplines that are there. We give scholarship to these students so that you're able to continue your studies, get money to be able to invest in different sports and programs and buy maybe equipments that you need. It may not be enough, but at least it is a support that you're getting from the government. And yes, if necessary, we will do even more.